Hi, and welcome back to the Cats and Plus tutorial series. My name is Renaud, Manager Mineral Processing at Oral Systems. In this tutorial, I will focus on a typical mineral processing unit called a thickener. This process unit can be found in the new Minerals Processing library and is also available in the standard library as a separator. The aim of this tutorial is to show you how to prepare a single thickener unit with an associated stream chemistry consisting of water and a solid. In this particular case, we will use hematite. So the first part here is to set up a stream definition, and for more detailed information on the step, please view our Cats and Plus Getting Started video number 1. So let's go ahead and open a new drawing and set up a new process stream definition. To do this, we select the Draw Process Line drawing button in the toolbar. Press and hold down the left mouse button where you want to draw the line in order to drop an anchor point, and drag along to extend the line to the desired length. Hit Escape to deselect the drawing tool and get back to the Select tool. Next, click on the Erlenmeyer flask to create a stream chemistry. Click Create to define process number 0. For the sake of simplicity, we will keep all units to the default and go to the next page. In the Stream Type drop-down menu under the Stream Type tab, we will select Mineral and continue over to the next page. Here, in the Components tab, we will select Water from the list of liquids. Note that H2O liquid is simultaneously also grayed out, as CADSIM uses these components interchangeably. Lastly, from the list of solids, we will select Fe2O3, which is hematite, a common high-pressure oxidation iron product. At this time, we will skip creating derived variable and setting estimates, and just click Finish to go back to our drawing. Note that the flask is now available on the drawing at the top right corner and can be clicked to edit the stream chemistry if needed. Next up, let's click on the Specify and Run Simulation button, which is the green play button in the toolbar. A prompt will ask us to save our drawing. After saving, the specification dialog box opens, asking us to specify the first free variable for the process line that was drawn, which is water. As we will have two variables to specify and can superimpose the specifications, select the Multiple Specification icon, or spec as we call it. Select Direct Setting in the Equation Type drop-down menu and click Place. Position the multispec at the desired position along the line by left-clicking. Enter 100 in the field, equate it to water with units in kilograms per second, and click Finish. Repeat the steps for Fe2O3 and equate the solids to 10 kilograms per second. Click Finish and subsequently click Yes to save file before entering simulation mode. Upon entering simulation mode, click on the Run button in the toolbar and then click the process line and observe the stream chemistry passing through the line or pipe. Note the mass flows and CADSIM plus calculated values of volumetric flow and suspended solid conc for concentration. These calculations take into consideration the densities of the phases. Exit the simulation mode by clicking the Return to Drawing button, which is depicted as a ruler and pencil. Now that we have a pipe with a defined flow, we can start adding unit operations such as the thickener.